So, alright, so come on over and rub her. And rub your hand down her leg. And squeeze that little chestnut. Good. And when she picks up her foot, you gotta lift it up. You gotta hold it. Good. Alright.
That up here?
Yep.
I don't know where the bee is. But you're not supposed to pick where I could hurt them.
That's alright. They walk on rocks all the time. You can't hurt them. Keep going. Keep going.
Right here?
That's that leaf part. Can you see it? I'll show you.
She's very friendly looking.
I'm just so worried about hurting the horses. So what is that like green thing?
Evie, it's called a frog. It's a, it's like a, I don't know, shock absorber.
Jennifer, go hold the hoof.
That's it. She just go. We'll have her do the back. I mean the front. Alright, push her over. Alright, come on over here. You're gonna rub. Face. Face backwards. There you go, rub. Now pick it up. Get ready. Ah!
Be ready to grab it.
Good. Twist. Now get ready to pick it up. Again. Pinch. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Twist. Oh, you're not going to hurt her.
What's the problem? I am afraid I'm going to hurt it.
There you go.
Oh, that doesn't sound good.
There you go. And on this side. Perfect. You can set it down. Sure. Perfect. You want me to do the back foot or you want me to do it?
You can do it.
Okay. Set up here. Forward. Good. All right. So are you confident riding?
Riding. Hose.
Okay. All right.
Do you want me to pause this?
Yeah.